The global defense landscape is transforming as nations pour billions into next-generation military aviation. This is about more than new aircraft. It's about gaining a decisive technological edge. Air superiority is now a prerequisite for national security and geopolitical influence. Rapid advances in propulsion, avionics, and materials are fueling a new era of competition. Programs like the American NGAD and European FCAS are redefining what's possible, focusing on networked warfare, AI, and hypersonic capabilities. For countries like Canada, keeping pace means strategic partnerships and targeted upgrades to proven platforms. The need to modernize is urgent, not just for future wars, but to counter current threats like advanced SAMs and rival fifth-generation fighters. Legacy fourth-generation jets face growing risks in contested airspace without major upgrades. Air forces worldwide must choose invest in costly new jets or upgrade existing workhorses. Canada's decision to enhance its Gripen fleet is a pragmatic response to this challenge. By upgrading critical systems, especially propulsion, Canada bridges the capability gap and maximizes its investment. This ensures the Royal Canadian Air Force remains relevant and ready for both domestic and international missions. The move signals Canada's commitment to a credible, technologically advanced air force. It's a forward-looking strategy for the complex security environment of the 21st century. The global arms race is not just about speed or stealth, it's about smart, strategic modernization. At the heart of Canada's Gripen modernization is a landmark $2.1 billion agreement with Rolls-Royce. This isn't just a purchase, it's a long-term partnership between the government, RCF, and a world-class aerospace leader. The deal covers advanced engine tech and a comprehensive support package, including in-country maintenance and overhaul. This will create high-skilled Canadian jobs and boost sovereign industrial capacity. The phase program runs over 10 years, with the first upgraded Gripen returning to service in late 2026. All 88 Gripens will be re-engined, with performance-based logistics ensuring high reliability. This approach shifts focus from hardware to guaranteed operational capability, aligning manufacturer and military interests. For Canada, it's a strategic investment in both defense and domestic industry. The partnership leverages Rolls-Royce expertise while stimulating Canadian innovation and growth. The dual benefit, military capability and economic development, makes this a model for future defense deals. It's more than an engine upgrade. It's a blueprint for smart, collaborative procurement. Canada's aerospace sector stands to gain lasting technological and industrial advantages. This agreement sets a new standard for defense partnerships. The centerpiece of Canada's Gripen upgrade is the advanced Rolls-Royce F414 EPE engine. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a leap in propulsion, with cutting-edge materials and aerodynamic design. The F414 EPE delivers up to 20% more thrust, thanks to a new fan, high-pressure compressor, and next-gen turbine blade alloys. This translates to faster acceleration, better climb rates, and superior maneuverability, crucial in air combat. The Gripen can now carry heavier loads, more fuel, sensors, or weapons, without sacrificing performance. Enhanced fuel efficiency means longer range and loiter time, vital for patrolling Canada's vast territory. The engine's durability and lower maintenance reduce costs and boost fleet readiness. These upgrades transform the Gripen into a more versatile, capable fighter. The F414 EPE isn't just about raw power, it's about operational flexibility and reliability. For the RCF, this means more jets available, more often, for any mission. The engine upgrade is the key to unlocking the Gripen's full potential. It's a game-changer for Canada's air combat capability. The new engine is more than muscle. It's the enabler for the Gripen's advanced systems. Increased electrical power supports cutting-edge radars, electronic warfare suites, and data links. The Gripen's AESA radar, powered by the F414 EPE, tracks multiple targets at longer ranges and resists jamming. Enhanced power lets the radar and EW systems operate at full capacity, boosting survivability in contested airspace. The EW suite creates a protective electronic shield, allowing safer penetration of defended zones. This synergy turns the Gripen into a dominant sensor and combat platform. The engine's surplus power ensures all systems work together seamlessly, maximizing combat effectiveness. The upgrade isn't just about speed, it's about making every system smarter and more lethal. The Gripen becomes a fully integrated network-centric fighter. The engine is the heart, but it empowers every nerve and muscle of the aircraft. Canada's upgraded Gripen is ready for the complexities of modern warfare. It's a leap from a fast jet, to an intelligent, survivable war machine. The F414 EPE engine delivers measurable gains for the Canadian Gripen. Thrust-to-weight ratio jumps by 20%, dramatically improving acceleration and vertical maneuvering. Climb to 30,000 feet is 25% faster, giving pilots a crucial energy edge. Supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without afterburner, becomes a reality, with speeds up to Mach 1.3 on dry thrust. This reduces exposure to threats and boosts mission effectiveness, a feature usually reserved for pricier 5th-gen jets. Improved fuel efficiency and higher payload mean a 15–20% increase in combat radius. Gripens can now patrol deeper into the Arctic, or cover more of Canada's vast approaches. The $2.1 billion investment covers all 88 jets, averaging $23.8 million per aircraft for the upgrade. Aircraft will rotate through maintenance depots, ensuring the RCF always has operational fighters during the upgrade. These quantifiable improvements translate directly into greater reach, flexibility, and deterrence. The numbers tell the story: more speed, more range, more capability. Canada's Air Force is getting a true performance boost. Canada's Gripen upgrade sets it apart among nations modernizing 4th-generation fighters. While some buy new jets or incremental upgrades, Canada's radical propulsion enhancement offers a compelling alternative. The focus is on kinematic performance and systems integration, not just stealth. Compared to F-16s and Super Hornets, the Canadian Gripen's EPE engine delivers a leap in thrust and supercruise. This blurs the line between 4th and 5th generation fighters in energy and sensor performance. The strategy: see first, shoot first, and, if needed, run first. Canada's approach balances capability, cost, and industrial benefits for its unique needs. Alignment with Sweden, which is pursuing similar upgrades, ensures interoperability and shared development. This partnership cements Canada's place in a global community of advanced Gripen operators. The result: future-proofing, shared costs, and a robust supply chain. Canada isn't just upgrading jets, it's strengthening its role on the world stage. This collaborative path is a model for smart, strategic modernization. The Rolls-Royce deal goes beyond defense, it's a catalyst for Canada's economy and industry. The industrial and technological benefits policy ensures every dollar spent is reinvested in Canada. Aerospace hubs like Montreal and Winnipeg, plus smaller communities, will see new jobs and growth. A new Rolls-Royce Center of Excellence in Montreal will service Canadian and allied F414 engines, making Canada a regional hub. Hundreds of high-skilled jobs and advanced tech transfer will boost sovereign capability. Canadian suppliers, from precision machining to software, will join the global supply chain. This opens export opportunities and strengthens the domestic industrial base. The agreement also funds collaborative R&D with Canadian universities, focusing on future propulsion tech and sustainable fuels. This investment seeds the next generation of engineering talent and innovation. The benefits ripple through the economy, from job creation to global competitiveness. Canada's aerospace sector is positioned for long-term growth and leadership. The Gripen upgrade is a win for defense and industry alike. Upgrading the Gripen has major implications for Canada's defense alliances. For NORAD, faster, longer-range jets mean quicker interception of threats and stronger Arctic defense. Supercruise and extended loiter time allow persistent patrols over vast northern regions. This reinforces Canadian sovereignty and deters aggression along critical approaches. For NATO, the upgraded Gripen is fully interoperable, ready for air policing or strike missions in Europe. Its ability to operate from austere airfields adds flexibility in conflict scenarios. Canada's investment demonstrates commitment to alliance burden sharing and collective security. The Gripen fleet is a credible, high-end asset allies can count on in crisis. This modernization strengthens Canada's voice and standing within NATO. It's a tangible sign of Canada's reliability as a security partner. The upgraded Gripen bridges national defense and alliance obligations. Canada is ready to defend shared values and interests on the world stage. The Gripen upgrade marks a turning point for the Royal Canadian Air Force. It's more than a life extension. It's a transformation, giving Canada a fighter with a decisive edge for decades. The program delivers strategic, industrial, and fiscal benefits. Better defense, more jobs, and smart spending. Key impacts include faster interception, greater Arctic reach, enhanced survivability, and flexible payloads. This is a case study in smart procurement. how targeted upgrades can elevate an entire weapon system. The experience gained will shape Canada's future moves from 6th-gen fighters to AI and unmanned systems. The question now, how will Canada leverage this new foundation to lead in the next era of air defense? The future is wide open, and Canada is ready to take flight.